Hello everyone, welcome once again in Cool IT Help. This is Selenium tutorial for beginners part 5. In this session we are going to search element with the help of XPath. We have seen many methods in our previous tutorial session and XPath is one of them to find the elements in Selenium. This is the base syntax which is written with the find element, and inside the bracket we are calling XPath method with the help of by class. So this is the base syntax that we will use in the Eclipse. You can see here we are calling XPath, and after that we have to pass the expression to locate the element on the web page. So we will see how to write the XPath expression. First we will understand the basic definition of XPath. What is XPath? So I will say XPath contains the path of the element location on the web page, so you can find it. This is the formal definition that I have written just for the general knowledge, and if we are using the XPath we must know a base of this technique. So this is the XPath syntax in front of you. You can see this is the syntax of the expression. We have two forward slash that displaying that the current node. After that we have tag name, and then we have a bracket, and we have one symbol which is referring to the attribute name, and after that equal sign, and then we have the attribute value. This is looking something similar as we have seen in the CSS selector. Okay, no worries, I will explain you how you can create the XPath within 30 seconds. So this is the base syntax, and here's the explanation of the XPath components that I have given right here in this notepad. You can see double forward slash, then we have a tag name, we have symbol, after that we have attribute also, then we have the value of the attribute. So these are the components of the XPath expression. So we will see there are two types of XPath. First one is absolute XPath and the second one is relative XPath. We will see both XPath practically and how we can create it easily. So I will demonstrate you how to write it. Let me take you inside the website. So with the help of a script we will navigate to this website. After that we will perform one click on this menu item ffmpeg, then this page will appear. So the same thing we will do here in this script. So first with the help of driver.get we navigated to the URL, then we will find the element. That means we will try to find that link. So we have to call the method by.Xpath, and then inside the XPath we have to give the XPath expression as a string at this place. So now we will see how to write the XPath expression to locate particular element on a web page. Suppose this is a web page and this is the place where we have to click, and this is a link. So first I will go back here in the home, and now I will do the right click on this page, and now you will see the options come at the bottom. Select the inspect, and that this inspect element window will appear, and I will select this arrow, click on it, then you can highlight the link for which you want to get the XPath. So I have just selected this link. Now you can see here on the screen that the link node is highlighted. Now I will do a right click on it, and the option will appear. So go to the copy, and then in the sub menu item just select these options. So if you want to copy full path, select this copy full XPath, and your XPath is copied, which is the absolute XPath, which is complete path to the that element. So this will be the absolute XPath, but sometimes this will not work because time to time websites are upgrading their content, also upgrading the structure of the website. So the possibility of failing this absolute XPath is high. So instead of using the absolute path, we prefer to choose relative path. So the way is same, do the right click on it and go to the copy, and then just select the second last option, copy XPath. Now your XPath is ready. So I will paste it here, and you can see at this place, this is the relative path of that link. Okay, as I have told you, this is the combination of the same elements to reaching that target element. Now I just copied that XPath and putting here as a string at, to find the element. So this statement will detect the link, FFmpeg link on my website. Once we get the link and once we get the object of the element, we can perform a click action on it. So at line number 24, we are going to click on that link. So the FFmpeg page will appear. So now we have written the script, and it's time to run it, and we will see this XPath is working properly or not. Before running, we have to take a clean build because we have done changes. Here we go. So simple. This has a main method, so I will do right click and I will directly run it through this option, run as Java application. Here we go, and soon we will see the Chrome driver started successfully message in the console, and now you can see the Chrome browser is opened and website is loaded, and in few seconds this will click that FFmpeg link. Okay, that's clicked and the FFmpeg page is loaded. So we found that this XPath is working properly, and we just clicked on the right element. So guys, this is the way you can create your XPath easily with the help of a Chrome browser, and this is the whole thing to use to find the elements with the help of XPath in Selenium WebDriver. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and guys, please like this tutorial if you found this relevant. And guys, for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.